Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. Very excited, very proud to have Akshay with me today. 8 each in his PTE exam. I have personally seen him working hard over the last few weeks. Akshay, you were just missing by 1 or 2 points every other attempt. What was the difference this time as compared to your previous attempts, which helped you to get the score?
First of all, I would like to thank you and your team for taking more efforts on me and also as well as on other students. So this time what was the difference was feedbacks. Like every time I used to take test and I used to miss with only 1 or 2 marks. So this time what I did is like I gave the mock test and the feedbacks on the mock test helped me a lot. Like I could cover the gap of 1 or 2 marks with that one. And I would say like practice and feedbacks are the important one.
That's 110% correct. If you're just missing by few points, one or the other section, every time there is something wrong, there is something which you are missing out. It's not that you'll go and do the same thing and you will expect different results. It's very important before you go for your next attempt, you see what mistakes you're making, work on the feedback, improve the mistakes, turn them into your strength, and then go for the exam. Make sure you get 79 plus in the mock test. Go for the exam like he did and get your desired score in the first attempt. Akshay, you had an option to study at home as well, right?
Yeah.
Every student, there are a lot of students out there who just want to practice by themselves. Why did you choose to come to the lab every evening despite the fact you had hectic schedule, you had work early morning? I remember you used to be tired as well, but why did you choose to come to the lab and not sit at home?
Yeah, the thing is that like if you come to the lab, you will get to know the feedbacks on like on the spot, and that will help you a lot. So that's why I chose to come to the lab, and it will also like in at home you may like you may say to yourself that you will do practice tomorrow and you will delay the practice. So you will not do that in the labs. So you will be doing the practice in the labs, and the feedbacks you will get on the spot.
That's 100% correct, because when we sit at home, we have a lot of distractions.
Yeah.
We have a roommate, your friend Saru. We have a lot of distractions. We have a computer, we have a phone, we have notifications. And then when you come and sit in the lab, you see everyone studying. And when you see someone has got the score, you're self-motivated that yes, I have to do it as well. Very important. Environment is something which will change the game for you. You need to make sure you land yourself in the correct environment where you have that energy which will push you to score more, improve. And once you get the feedback, you work on the same and get your desired score. Akshay, any final piece of advice for students out there? A lot of your friends are, studying, preparing for the exam. Any advice for all the students out there who are planning to go for the exam? Any advice from your personal experience, please?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to give one advice, that the one you gave me, that is go with confidence and follow the strategies, and you will nail the exam. Definitely.
Very important. You're confident, but how do you get that confidence level? It's not that I tell you just be confident, you'll be confident. That's not going to happen. You get confidence, you have certain level of confidence once you prepare, once you take the mock test, once you know your inner soul knows that yes, you are prepared, you're not making mistakes, and the mistakes you're making, you have worked on the same and you have turned that into your strength. Very important. You just don't feel that you want to be confident. Yes, tell yourself you're prepared, but for that you have to work hard as well. You need to work on the mistakes, you need to take mock tests, you need to be in the lab, ask for feedback, and go crack your exam in the very first go. All the very best for your NAATI now.
Thank you.
We'll make another video.
Definitely.
Thanks guys, that's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Make sure if you're practicing, go on languageacademy.com.au, practice for free. And if you need any help, contact us. Make sure you don't risk it. Crack it in the first attempt, but make sure you have the right strategies. Thank you guys.